Hello everyone. Become agribusiness and quality expert in 100 days. Friends, under my ongoing series in my YouTube channel, today is my 58th episode. This episode I am going to tell in English. Friends, my name is Arun Mehta and you are watching my YouTube channel, Arun Mehta Quality Talk. In my earlier episode, I talked about how to handle customers at stores. Today, again I am going to talk about the customers, but today I will talk what customer expect at our stores. Customer expectations at our stores. Friends, as you know that customer is very important for any business or at any store. If customer is not there, we cannot do any business. In your store, we should treat our customer like God. And we should follow Grahak Devo Bhava approach. In 1890, in South Africa, our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, also told about the customer. What he told? A customer is the most important visitor on our premises. He is not dependent on us. We are dependent on him. He is not an interruption in our work. He is the purpose of it. He is not an outsider in our business. He is a part of it. We are not doing him a favor by serving him. He is doing us a favor by giving us opportunity to do so. So every customer, when he visit any shop, he or she has some expectation. And if we don't follow, if we don't fulfill these expectations, customer would not like to come in that shop again. So here I will going to tell you what are the customer's expectations, what customer think, what customer want from us. When customer comes to our shop, what expectation he is in his mind from that store staff. So I will talk one by one expectation of the customer. First is that customer expect that store staff should be polite. Customer will not visit any store where store staff is rude and not polite. Second is customer expect that store staff should be caring and always interested in helping him or her. Any store where customer is not treated well or staff is not helping the customers, when customer asks something and staff does not help, customer would not like to visit the store again. Third important expectation of customer is staff should always acknowledge and listen to them. When customer is asking something, staff should respond. Staff should acknowledge that he has listened them and he will solve his issue. Fourth customer expectation is staff should advise and explain them patiently. When customer is asking something, the staff should listen them and they should explain about particular thing in a polite manner or in a patient manner. He should not be in hurry. He is doing some work and he is rushing that place. When customer is talking and he wants some help, he should listen to the customer and he should have a patience. Next customer expectation is, if customer requires something, the staff should check the stock to find the product. It is very common in any store because you have set the store, you have your own planogram, you are keeping and putting the product here and there. Sometimes there is no mention of that product, where that product is kept. So customer do not find many of the product. So they want store help, store staff help. So they require something. If they are asking something, I want this, I want that. So this is a staff duty. They should check the stock and they should provide that particular product to the customer. This is customer expectation. If staff is not helping and your staff is saying, "Hey, madam, it is lying in that corner," so that is not correct. You should go along with the customer and you should provide that particular item and to satisfy him. Next customer expectation is, staff should have product knowledge and provide them exceptional product quality. When customer asks some question, so staff should have a sufficient knowledge to explain about that product to customer and provide them best to best quality available in the shop. If customer is picking some inferior item, because sometimes store are selling different brand products, so some brand is cheaper and some brand quality is not better and some brand are extraordinary. So you should explain the customer, sir, this particular brand is better than this particular brand quality is better than that. So this expect customer from you. Next customer expectation is, store atmosphere and design should be exciting. The design and atmosphere in the store should be exciting. It's not boring. We should put the planogram, we should put the product in the store in such a way that it should excite the customer. Next customer expectation is, store should provide consistent good product quality. Always store should provide customers good quality. They should not keep bad quality. They should not keep in the stock any expired stock or any rotten stuff or bad quality. Always customer should get quality. This is customer expectation. Next expectation is, customer should feel that staff treat them special and he will always get a good deal. So customer always want exceptional treatment and best deal. So this is staff duty. Staff should tell the customer if there are some promotions is there or in some particular product some quality is better. So it should be explained to the customer nicely, politely. So basically the main aim is that customer want best deal. If you will give customer best deal, suppose if customer is purchasing one particular ketchup and in the same store in some other brand along with the ketchup some item is free or some 20% extra is there. So you should explain to the customer, here, please take this, in this you will get this one small bottle free. So in that way customer is getting best deal. So this is customer expectation from the staff. The staff should provide best to best deal to the customer. Staff should be helpful in compensating and resolving customer problems. If customer have some issue, so this is customer expectation that staff should solve that issue and compensate if there is any loss or there is going to be any loss to the customer. in purchasing that product or the product which he purchased in the past. Staff should be sensitive to customer for his valuable time on long check-in lines, and proactive in helping to speed up shopping process. It is very common issue in all the stores. There are long queues are there, and customer irritated, and customer think if I will come in this line, at least my turn will come after 1 hour, after 40 minutes. And he always want quick deal. So in that case, this is customer expectation ki in that scenario, more counters should be immediately opened, or work should be done as quickly as possible, so the queue should be reduced and purchasing time should be the minimum. In any store, when purchasing time are very high and lot of customer time is wasted in standing in the queue, customer would not like to come again. Next expectation of customer is store always upgrade product quality to ensure complete satisfaction to the customer. Every time customer should upgrade their store quality. It's not like stereotype, same quality is always available, same brands are available. Store should provide them the brand which customer want. If customer is saying that particular brand is not available with you, then tell the store manager the customer is demanding that particular brand, to upgrade your store at every time. Next customer expectation is the customer always like the staff who immediately acknowledge them and easily explain the product. In any store, customer like that particular staff. When customer talk to them, he acknowledge them and explain about the product. Last customer expectation is a regular customer expect that some staff should know them with their name. When some regular customers are coming to the shop, so the staff should ask their names and remember their name and tell them, शर्मा जी आप ये ले लीजिए, या सिंह साहब ये बहुत अच्छा है. But talk to with their name. Think when customer will be there in the store and the store staff is knowing them with their name, so he will feel very happy and he would like to come again and again. So friends, it is very important to fulfill the customer expectation, because now there is a lot of competition is there in the market. Any store, if not provide best or good service to the customer would not like to come at that store again, and he will visit some other store. And if he will do that, your store sale will decrease, and slowly there will be big dropout of the customers and your business will drop. So friends, this was all about today's topic, customer expectation at store. I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, please do not forget to forward this to your friends and colleagues. In the end, I will close my today's topic with some good lines, some good thoughts. Never stop learning, because life never stop teaching. So tomorrow I will bring some new video with some new topic. Till then, please keep watching all the videos in my YouTube channel, Arun Mehta Quality Talk. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, जय हिंद।